everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha again. I'm here today with the Tuesday Premium BoxyCharm unboxing. So if you're interested, stay tuned. I would love for you guys to subscribe. Join me on my journey with YouTube. If you subscribe, you'll be notified of my upcoming videos. And this Friday or Saturday, my plan is to do the Premium unboxing try-on combined with my Slay Glam try-on, just so we have enough makeup to actually do something with. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into the April Premium unboxing. I actually did get a card with the information on it for the Premium unboxing for April, so I will have some information. We'll read over that as we go through. But we're going to go ahead and jump right into the box. So the first thing that I received is the Lavado, I am sure I'm not saying that correctly, JoaA Replenishing Cream. It is a grapefruit seed, melissa, and avocado JoaA Replenishing Cream that you apply to your face and kind of all over. It says ingredients are from certified organic source, and they have all kinds of different information on it. It is free of all kinds of different things. It is vegan. I do not see that it says cruelty-free anywhere. It does say SLS paraben-free. It's supposed to firm and hydrate. For dry and mature skin, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Let's see what it actually looks like. It is a, oh, that's surprising. I thought it would be a pump. It is a, not a pump, it is a tube. And we'll go ahead. Oh, I love when they have the seals at the end. I don't know why that makes me feel so much better when they have a seal on it. When they don't, it makes me kind of feel a little bit kind of funny. I am trying to take the seal off so that I can show y'all what the cream actually looks like. For the premium boxing for April, there were so many things that I was super excited to get. Like, I would have loved to get the Natasha Denona blush. I would kill for one of those blushes, but I did not. There were all kinds of different palette choices, and I watched somebody else's premium unboxing, and they kind of said the same thing, that it was weird to see all these great products that you could have gotten, and then to get your box and not get any of them, so a little disappointing. The cream is very, very thick, very, very emollient and creamy. Just that little bit goes a long way. It's actually too much for the back of my hand, which is nice because my hands are super dry right now from all the hand washing, so we'll go ahead and rub that in. It does smell. It smells like roses. Absolutely like roses and I don't know, something else. But there is definitely a strong smell. But seems very nice, very creamy. I think it would be a little too creamy for my face, so I don't know that I would put that on my face, but decent cream. Next product that I have is the IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. And basically when I read this, it says it's a keratin-like spray that you actually spray on before you dry or heat treat your hair. So while hair is still damp, it's supposed to, with the keratin, smooth everything, but it's also supposed to be a heat protectant. Nice spray on it. It doesn't smell like a whole lot. Wow, that is a wicked cap. It doesn't smell like a whole lot. I am not sure if this will be too heavy for my hair. My hair is super fine. Although I have a lot of it, it is very fine, and things like this tend to weigh it down. I will try it when I wash my hair and kind of blow dry it to see what it does. Some of the keratin treatments are really nice for all the flyaways that I have. It kind of smooths everything down, but we'll check this out and see. The next thing that I received is in a very pretty glass bottle. It's the M Greengrass Beach Air Oil Spray. My problem with this is I don't typically use a lot of oil sprays. It is actually really, really nice. We'll pump this out. It has a nice kind of clean, beachy smell. And basically it's a dry oil. So what you do is you spray this, not a dry oil, but an oil spray, sorry. You spray this all over your body, whatever time for moisturizing. There is a little bit of a fragrance in it. It's supposed to help moisturize. It's supposed to help kind of lock in whatever moisture is in your skin already. in the winter, I actually do use kind of an oil for my body because I am so dry all over. I don't know for the summer if it would be great or if it would be too greasy. I will try this out, see what it's like, and let y'all know. Next product that I received is a palette. So I was super excited to get a palette. There were two other ones though. There was the Barbie Pure with that beautiful pink sparkly outside container, and then the container is not what I'm looking for, but you know what, packaging. And then there was also the Life's a Drag palette, and then this was the third palette. Not bad for a palette. I will open it up and show you guys. It does come with a pencil as well in here, so you can see as I whack everything. There is a black liner pencil, and then this is kind of the layout of the shades. I like these shades down here, super colorful. These are more of a neutral, but not bad. So I'll definitely see what I think about all of this. I typically don't use Smashbox eyeshadows, so we'll see what they're like. I will swatch a couple, so we're going to swatch this pretty sparkly pink. I go for the sparkly pink, of course. We'll kind of swatch that on there. Oh, that's pretty. That is beautiful. Not quite pink, more of a rosy, kind of orangey color. Let's swatch a brown matte here. So this is brown matte. We'll give that a nice swatch. Not super dark, not a lot of pigment. You'd probably have to build it up. So we'll see how those work in our try-on. We'll do this for the eyes. Next product that I received is, I'm trying really hard. I don't know why, but seems to be a word that I have picked up, and I've got to stop using it. I got to put a little sign. The next product that we received is the Peach and Lily, the Good Assets Pore Toner. So it's going to gently exfoliate and balance. It has AHA and turmeric. It is cruelty-free, toxin-free, gluten-free, and vegan. I really have wanted to try some Peach and Lily products. I've heard really good feedback from them. People have had some good experience. And when you open this bottle is absolutely beautiful. It is a beautiful glass bottle. It is that cool, beautiful light blue color. And I do really like toners. So typically what I do is I'll cleanse my face, and then I will use a toner afterwards to, number one, balance. This does FHA, so it'll help gently exfoliate, which is really nice. But it also makes sure that I get every ounce of makeup off of my face. So I will definitely be using this to try out and see what we thought about that. Very last product that we received is the Nude Sticks. It is a metallic lip plush paint in the color Waikiki Rose. It is a thing. It's not a squeeze tube. It's actually a doe foot. Not quite a doe foot, but that kind of an applicator. I actually do have the Waikiki Rose on today. I put it on earlier. It doesn't completely dry down, but it does some. My lips are always dry, so any kind of liquid lipstick does tend to be on the drier side for me. I have heard some feedback from some people that it doesn't dry down on their lips, this product. However, I put this on a little bit ago, and it is almost dried down on my whole lip. Now I don't know how long it'll last, so in our try-on video we'll get some feedback about how long it lasts. I do like the color. It's a pretty light pinky color. I enjoy it. So let's go through really quick and go through the prices for everything. So the Smashbox LA Cover Shop palette is $45. The Peach and Lily Good Assets Pore Toner is $39. The Lavado Age Away Replenishing Cream is $69. That is a lot of money for, I know cream is expensive anyways, but that's a lot of money for that. The IGK Hair Spirulina Protein Spray is $32. The Nude Sticks Lipstick is $28. And then the M Greengrass Beach Air Dry Oil Spray is $36. They do say that beach air spray you can use for your body, your face, or your hair. Again, I have such thin hair that I don't know about that, but we'll try it on my body. So that's what I got for my premium unboxing. I would have loved to get the Natasha Denona, but I did not get that. I haven't actually heard a lot of people that got that blush, so please let me know in the comments what you thought about this box. It was okay. I would really like more makeup. When I get BoxyCharm, makeup is my thing. That's my passion. That's what I really enjoy. And part of why I get BoxyCharm is to try new makeup products or to try different makeup products that I might not either be able to get because of price or that I might not know about. So different products. When I have less makeup, it's not always my favorite box, but certainly overall a good value. We went through all of those prices. It does add up to way more than what you spend on it. The premium is $35 a month, I believe, and you get all of those full-size products. So we'll do a try-on with this as well as my Slay Glam that I'll put up either Friday or Saturday. Thank y'all so much for joining. I really appreciate it. Again, please subscribe. Please give me some feedback in the comments, what you thought about this, what you thought about your premium box if you've got it, and different things that you would like me to try. Again, thank y'all so much. Love having you here, and we'll see you later. Bye.